Alright, so have you ever wondered why you are the way you are? Why do some traits feel innate, while others seem shaped by life experiences or the culture around you? The answer lies in the dynamic interplay between genetics, individual experiences, and social environments. In this video, we'll explore how biology, psychology, and social influences combine to shape behavior, beliefs, and identity. One way to understand behavior and development is through the life course perspective, which examines how key life events and transitions interact and unfold over time to shape a person's identity. This perspective emphasizes that development is a lifelong process influenced by cumulative experiences. For example, the birth of a child, a career change, or the loss of a loved one can significantly alter beliefs and behavior. Consider someone who starts a new career midlife. This transition might reshape their sense of purpose, challenge existing beliefs, and influence future goals. As social beings, much of our behavior and thinking is learned through interactions with family, peers, and broader social networks. This process, known as socialization, enables individuals to adopt norms, values, and behaviors that are culturally and socially acceptable. Families play a foundational role in early life, teaching essential behaviors and ways of thinking. As individuals grow, peer groups and societal interactions shape attitudes, preferences, and actions. Biology sets the stage for behavior through genetic inheritance, prenatal development, and physiological mechanisms like hormone levels and brain structure. For instance, sex-related genes and hormonal differences can predispose individuals to particular traits or behavioral patterns, but genes don't act in isolation. Epigenetics shows how environmental factors can influence gene expression, turning certain genes on or off based on life experiences. Stressful experiences in childhood might activate genes linked to anxiety, while a nurturing environment can enhance genes associated with resilience. While biology provides the foundation, psychology shapes personal responses and interpretations. This includes how genes and the environment interact to produce traits like temperament and personality. Prior experiences, such as successes and failures, also shape emotional responses and self-concept. For instance, a child praised for academic achievements may develop confidence, while one criticized might internalize feelings of inadequacy. Imagine a student excelling in math who receives consistent encouragement. They're likely to build persistence and a strong self-concept in academics. Conversely, negative feedback might lead another student to disengage from learning altogether. Social and cultural influences provide the external framework within which individuals operate. Families, peers, and societal norms instill expectations and ideals that guide behavior. Cultural values play a pivotal role. For example, collectivist cultures may emphasize familial and community responsibilities, while individualistic cultures prioritize personal achievement and autonomy. In a collectivist culture, an individual might prioritize caring for elderly family members, while in an individualistic culture, they might focus on pursuing a personal career goal. Understanding behavior requires integrating these influences. Biology provides the foundation, psychology shapes interpretations, and social and cultural contexts guide interactions and expectations. For example, consider a child with a genetic predisposition for artistic ability. Their development will depend on psychological factors like motivation and social influences, such as access to art education and cultural appreciation for creativity. A talented artist might thrive in a community that values the arts, while lacking opportunities in another environment might hinder their potential. This integrated view of behavior has profound implications for education, healthcare, and public policy. By recognizing the interplay of genetics, psychology, and social factors, we can create environments that support development and positive outcomes. In education, understanding socialization processes can inform strategies to foster collaboration and inclusivity. In healthcare, considering genetic and environmental influences can enhance treatments for mental and behavioral conditions. Human behavior is shaped by a dynamic interplay of genetics, experiences, and social environments. By examining these influences holistically, we can better understand ourselves and create opportunities for growth, resilience, and connection. To dive deeper into topics like this, visit kotc.me for expert resources and study tools. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.